Welcome to our channel One Step where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can enable and disable your caller ID on iPhone. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to do this, first you need to go to the setting of your iPhone. So open the setting of your iPhone. Now once you open the setting of your iPhone, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called phone. Now once you see this option phone, click on it. Now once you're inside phone, it's going to take you over here. Now once you're inside phone settings, scroll a bit down. Now once you scroll a bit down, you can see this option called show my caller ID right now over here. Once you see this option show my caller ID, click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring me over here. So right now my caller ID is off. So I can click on the top right thing over here and it'll be on. If it is green, it's on. If it is gray like this, it's off. But this basically how you guys can enable and disable your caller ID. So that's how you guys can enable and disable your caller ID on iPhone. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video for more iPhone related videos just like this.